on YouTube.
Take my effing buggy wheels off your truck. Oh crap, the wheel, dude.
Let's go. What are we doing, Peyton? What we got going on today? First off, I need to grab my keys. What do we got today, bro?
What's going on?
No, you're not, bro.
No,
For real though, on a real note. Enzo, get out the way.
we're gonna turn some little city slickers into some country boys.
Hogwaller is open this weekend. We could pop out the Hogwaller tonight.
Alright, let me show y'all. If y'all remember, I'll put a picture right here. The 250 on reps. You know, we were a little done with that, but now we have something else. We have 3-inch spacers. It goes from Chevy lug to Can-Am / any like side-by-side wheels. So y'all are probably thinking to yourself, why in the world would you get adapters instead of just getting brand new wheels for the tires? Because A, wheels cost way more than an adapter did, and 2, I'm doing something no one's ever done. So.
We also plan on keeping the buggy.
Yeah.
So we're
not gonna take the wheels off the tires that we're gonna be using.
Yo! Can you hush? We're trying to film back here.
My bad.
Why are you smoking? Didn't even let it warm up.
That was the warm up. That was the warm up. She just broke in.
Now we're gonna go take the bed off the GMC because I don't feel like stacking 18-inch spacers on each side to be able to poke out.
Put 3-inch spacers up front.
Who the f is this guy?
Uh-oh. Yo!
Hopefully we can fit
Clear.
40.
I think they'll fit. Maybe a little scrub right here. Maybe a little scrub
Not even
up
that, you
here.
gotta realize that. We got 150. We got 1500. We got 250. We got 1500. We got
WR.
We got WRX. We got 1500. We got F-150. We have a Mazda. We have a 250.
Gas.
We got a
Grand Marquis. Grand Marquis.
got a thing on it.
Got the thing on. Chase, give us a car review. What's up with the Grand Marquis, bro?
That thing sucks.
Grand Marquis, that's a stinking Lincoln right there.
Stinking Lincoln.
That thing sucks, bro.
Kelly right there.
It's
But yeah,
a great car when it runs.
we're finna go take the bed off,
Take the bed off, get the wheels off.
5 bolts, and we'll pick you up when the bed's off.
Alright, so quarter of the way through, I'm dirty as fuck. Peyton and them don't know how to do nothing around here.
We made a dump bed, y'all.
Got one last thing. EVAP line. So when you fill up your gas, it doesn't stop every 5 minutes. That's what this is for. Peyton is currently looking for a 1/4-inch ratchet or a 1/4-inch socket.
You know, we bought that amazing thing yesterday called a step down.
Yeah, we damn sure did buy that set of stuff, didn't we? For this reason.
Right there. It's a great day to be alive. We got Colton.
Cutting grass down
Grass
there.
over there. And now we got Chase.
We whacking.
We whacking.
Trying to get this beast of a side-by-side cleaned up so we can take these wheels
Now we're
off.
gonna see if this works.
Nope.
Way too
I think
fast.
that's like a 15. Look like a 15, guys. What y'all think? My guesstimate, right? Yeah, Mr. John. Hey, do y'all bring the milkshakes to the yard?
Yeah.
I'm like, they're better
Take
than
your
yours.
shirt off.
Oh, that'd be a party if I did. Thing's pretty big, man.
Axle clearance, we're gonna have to go up with the axle.
Think so?
It's gonna fit, buddy. They'll fit.
Oh, yeah.
They'll fit.
They're gonna fit.
They're gonna fit. They're gonna fit. It's gonna be close to the exhaust. We might have to bend the exhaust back.
Nah. Thing's
Somebody get this junk out of the clunker.
Thing's about the size of you.
No, bro. We're gonna go hit a dig.
Jeez, things are pretty freaking tight, man.
Oh yeah.
Supposed to be NASCAR in that thing.
Well, NASCAR when we have no battery. All right, battery exchange chat. Come on. Yeah, mine was at 1 bar too.
What the frick?
Pay attention. That bitch on there.
She on there. She nice and tight.
No wobble.
All lug nuts are on. Adapters are on. Spacers are on. That looks insane from right here.
Redneck money. We got 3-inch spacer.
I could do
6 to 4 Can-Am adapters. Like I
There's
said.
not Can-Am. There's Honda.
Okay, Honda American Force wheels.
MSA wheels.
But like I was saying, why spend money to buy new rims and or spend money to get BKTs when you can just buy adapters?
And this is part 2 of BKT's on.
I know,
the
and no,
1500.
and this is also part 2 of running adapters on 1500.
Dude, the first
Or,
BKTs were 35s. These are
46.
Yeah, but the first BKTs were fire, in my opinion.
I loved them. Those were my favorite
Those are good
setup.
look.
I wish I would have had them on my truck.
So
Kicking it out.
we got both back wheels mounted on. They clear everything. Tucked all our wires right here. Fuel lines are tucked away right here, and everything fits nice and snug.
Go all the way to the edge of the tire.
I am, motherfucker. Go there.
Starting there.
We are 7'8".
And
7 foot and 8 inches.
For normal.
Yeah, that's what I say. We'll go normal.
Normal, it would be like, yeah, like right there from the cab corner to the cab.
So 6 foot,
like
yeah.
6'3".
So we're a foot 8 inches wider.
We
And how
got
much
about-
taller? What were we going? Those are 35s, and these are
46s, but we'll call them 52 or 50s.
yeah, they're basically 50s.
Andy, do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale.
Do it for fucking Dale.
Just checking everything over.
Come on, let's back it up.
Yo, bro, look how quick it's just running it up, dude. Oh my gosh.
We got the last spacer going on. John's gonna put that Johnson on. And then we got the last one. Yeah, after we get this on, do you think we'll be able to drive it down the road?
Absolutely. Then it's 100.
Huh?
100.
No. Yeah, I guess we're gonna get it on the road. We're gonna go get Buck's reaction, and then we're gonna take this to Sonny's in town, get some lunch. This is first drive, chat. We're gonna see if I can turn all the way. See if I can see. Stop.
It wasn't do not to us, I wasn't.
Stop.
Good.
You got a dog off.
You go eyeball it?
Yeah.
Not a crazy cut either.
No.
Kind of fucking up the paint up here, but it'll be alright. There you go.
Selling these. Actually, no, we're gonna be giving these away.
Raffle.
We're gonna do a raffle.
Whoever.
So on TikTok, y'all keep
$100
it,
each
MFD
raffle.
Garage, TikTok. We'll give away all the
Get
parts
in
we're
and
cutting
pull
off.
forward.
Give them hell. Tell them how you really feel, Squirt. Ain't that what they used to call Duncan? Squirt. I feel like it's a little bit taller, like a little bit harder to see out of.
Low-key scared as shit right now, chat. It's like I'm on 16 wide, but I'm not on 16 wide. So I gotta be careful on where I turn and where I don't turn.
Go off in the ditch real quick. No scrub. Barely scrubbing though, like just barely. 35. We'll get an actual proctor on it real quick. See if we can't get it up before Peyton turns. We're doing 45 mile an hour right now. I told you, bro, you could do faster than 20.
Woo! Good afternoon, Buck.
What you think about that?
I come out of my front door of my house with my nice, good-looking, beautiful cars, and my goddamn neighbors come up in some shit like this.
No, we was over here bullshitting with you yesterday, cutting some spacers up, weren't we?
Yep, sure was. Doing a fine job of that.
Now, What'd we do with them spacers, Buck?
Listen, if a white woman don't like that, she don't know who to like.
Great neighbors, great neighbors.
Leaving Bucks.
Hey Peyton, when the tax assessor comes by, I want you to pull in. That way it'll lower my property taxes.
Okay, perfect.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
Hey Peyton, where'd you drive it to? Sonny's? How'd she drive?
You right.
Like glass? It looks like it.
I can't back in though, I ain't got no turn.
It's alright. God, dude, this thing does not look real. How'd you do, John?
Rode like butter, glass the whole way here, bro.
Shut these tires. A little hot, they're a little hot, but they ain't chopped.
Good ride, but now MFD is here, so let's show him our invention and see what he thinks about it. Hopefully I don't hit his truck.
Run his work truck over. Little scrub. Hopefully you don't hear that. All right.
I go grab him.
You stay here. I'll go get him.
He just likes to lay down because he's out of it.
Where's Bear?
He doesn't like it.
There he is. That's the man with the plan. Hey, look. Just come on. We got something to show you, dude.
Dude, every time y'all say that,
It's this is nuts, man. You might be a little mad.
a little mad.
I don't know, dude.
Okay. Bro, take my effing buggy wheels off your truck, dude. But it does look pretty badass. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of an old mud truck, kinda. But my mud truck was way bigger, had way more horsepower.
Funny that you say that. We're going to Hogwaller.
When? November 24th?
Turkey bog.
Turkey ball. Turkey ball.
Just like this.
Hey, what noise does turkey make? There you go. There you go. So guys, MFD here, and you know, as I say, these guys right here, they do some stupid, crazy shit sometimes. This, I don't think it's stupid crazy. I think it's actually pretty badass. Those are off my buggy.
Four lug
conversion with adapters with all sorts of crazy hoo-ha.
Yep.
Just
And I had to cut my bumper.
oh, and he had to cut his bumper off.
Guys, like the video so I can buy a new bumper.
Yeah,
And a new bed.
and a new bed, and a new bed. Guys, but you know, as we're saying, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notification bells. And guys, go to www.mfdgarage.com, get some new merch we got getting dropped. And you never know, in your package, you may get a piece of one of the builds. You may get a little snibble, you may get a little snippage. You never know, you may get a little surprise. So as always,
Like, subscribe, comment. If you ain't first, you're last.
no, as always, you gotta dream it to live it. You gotta dream it to live it. See ya!
I think a fall angel just walked by.